What is up, guys? In this video, I will be playing Onward, and while having the ride shield which can withstand anything. Let me show you. Like, as long as it directly goes to the right shield and nothing else, it will withstand it. But I had to end prototype videos many times because of modders. We'll see if I can do turbine. No, I'm gonna get turbine. What about my Mega Phone Center, which is not an official map, but it's in workshop. Oh yeah, if you haven't, join my Discord so you can be in future Gorilla Tag videos, or future videos, or Gorilla Tag videos, or frick, I'm messing up my words, or Gorilla Tag movies, or series, or short films. So I'm just gonna stop yapping and get straight into the video. And if my game doesn't crash right here, which it most likely already did, which it didn't.
Can we all agree
No, do
to
not stay here. Let's do
just kill the
let's
guy
do
on the wall.
hangar.
Yeah, what's it? Is it you?
If we put stay
It's,
here, they're just gonna go back in the wall again. So
It's
we
the
don't want
middle
that.
Volk. Middle Volk.
Let's go. We're not staying. Okay, let's go.
Oh, frick, we're doing hangar. I always hated hangar. I'm hangy. My mother's making me pizza.
Now you cannot stay in the wall anymore. Whoever can't stay in the wall anymore.
No, I'm not gonna use that.
Bro,
because
who said
we can't stay in the wall, but you can get-
anymore because
You
it
can
was-
get up and out of here. That's the thing. You can get up and out.
How?
It would take a while though. For
Oh yeah, with the drone. Hey, y'all wanna go cook some bulk? Come on, teammates, let's go cook some bulk. And I hate my stick drift.
You shot me first.
Oh, you scared the crap out of me, sorry.
You wanna do the invisible glitch?
Hey, don't cuss, don't cuss. I'm filming a YouTube video, don't cuss. I'm filming.
You wanna do the invisible? No, I don't cuss at all. I'm being.
You literally just said the B word.
I said that.
Bro, just
I
try
wanna
and
do
kill
the
me.
invisible glitch.
Do it. Oh wait. Oh yeah. 1 second. Let me
I know how to do it. Here, I'll do it. I bet. I know this guy's right here. He's in the wall. There he is. There we go. He died. That's good. Alright, anyways, let's do it. Alright. Okay, I'm good after you. It worked?
No, you're still alive.
Dang it. Oh, I know how to do it. Try and putting it like in my body. In my
Oh wait, let
body.
me get. Oh, wait, let me
Like in
get double
my-
syringe. Apparently, it works best with double syringe. I ain't messing up my words, even though I do it all the time. All right. Extra syringe.
Got some pretty
I
good
got the
shots.
2 syringes.
Alright, nice. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
The best to put it is in like my hips or like my belly. My stomach.
You missed
we're-
completely, didn't you? Still alive.
It works, it's just in the wrong. Okay, anyways.
And it didn't work. So how'd you
Let's
do
try
it?
with you. Let's try with you. Hold up.
Build them for you.
Alright, nice.
Wait,
Let me
wait,
try now.
wait.
Oh, heck no. Yo! Not having them alive.
Ready?
You cannot be doing the glitch. Alright.
Still see you. Here, take my syringes. Let's see if I can do it.
Okay. There we go, he got knocked down.
Yeah, there's a bear here, I think. Yeah, I think there is.
Let's go on a high place. Let's go take care of that person.
I already did.
Alright, nice. Let's just go here so our body can be hidden. Alright, so.
Wait, come over here so they don't kill you.
Let's do 4 syringes. 4 syringes.
Alright, bet. Alright, here, let's do it then. You wanna do it? Wait, does it hurt if I shoot you?
I
Does it take damage?
Should I shoot him? I have the urge to shoot him, but I don't want to shoot him.
No way we're showing mercy.
Where am I getting shot from? Where'd I got shot from? Seriously.
I
Got shot from.
every day.
Oh wait, wrong person. Wait.
This will hurt a bit, okay?
Did I kill him?
Watch out! Grenade, grenade, grenade. I'm about to violate the video.
We have to
Dude, why'd he blind me? I could have survived that.
How did you die?
I'm trying to sit up here.
Because I'm getting shot from behind, literally.
Guys, what are you doing? It's me.
I'm keep getting shot by a shotgun somehow.
There's somebody on top of the roof.
Bro, I got shot by a sniper. You know what?
Hey, we have a traitor on our team. The guy was. Yeah, I noticed.
I'm getting shot from 2 different angles, that's why I picked spawn.
absolutely cooking him.
He knows I'm using the music, so I'm gonna switch it up a little.
Yeah.
Look, that's safe. That's literally spawn camping.
Oh my goodness, this one.
Dude, you shot me. You can't blame me. You shot me.
Why, Matt?
Omega, let's do Omega Fun Center. Omega.
Oh, heck yeah. I was... Rust. Raggy, we're not doing Rust. Airport.
Stars.
Airport, there's too many spots to drone glitch up to, though.
Good. Yeah, I want to learn some glitches.
Yeah, me too.
I want to do a
Same.
glitch.
And your finger 1 second is a blessing.
Alright, guys, sorry. You know what? No, I'm gonna have to stick to the challenge. Did I get kicked? I can't tell. Hopefully, because I want to be in Serbia. No, I did not, so I'm just gonna leave. Serbia night, bet. It's what I'm best at.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to make peace with my friend. A lot of people like to team kill. Hey, I'm friendly, alright? I'm friendly, don't kill me. Hey, take a shield, take a shield. Take a shield.
Who's the hacker? I think the hacker got.
Where's the hacker?
I think he got kicked. You fucking N-word.
Hey, no. Can you not cuss, please?
Oh,
Because
yeah.
I'm currently filming a YouTube video and I'm family friendly.
Yeah. Ow! Got shot, yo.
And I actually gave myself a challenge to only use shield up.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Is that folk friendly? Okay. Wait, I just now
200.
realized. Well, I technically won't be breaking the challenge if I still have my shield. Hey, can I borrow your AR?
Oh yeah.
Reese, because I'm not gonna be breaking the challenge. I mean, I still have my shield.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna push them.
Alright, come on, let's push them.
I'm not.
Oh, it's hard to tell when they're moving because of the blackness behind them.
Wait, what does this do?
Ah, frick!
I can't think.
This is what it does.
Wait, isn't there supposed to like be a pin here, like a thing, like a?
Someone's trying to blow me up! Someone's trying to blow me up, but I didn't let that happen! See, this can protect me from anything.
Really?
Yeah. Not blinded, dude. See? Aiming my gun directly at you.
What about a grenade?
It won't protect me.
Help!
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
What are the ladies
It won't
up?
protect me! Oh,
Oh, he's friendly. He's
that
friendly.
was violent.
Well, I thought he was going to come and kill me.
That was
Sure.
just violent.
I thought you would come
Oh yeah, no
help
one,
you as
can no
well.
one please cuss? No one cuss, please.
Hey, I thought it was this guy. It was this guy. It was this guy. No.
Oh, I'm still out.
You slut. I'll rape you, slut. Come on.
Surprise! I shot a bullet to his head. How did he survive?
They abused me, but this guy's here to ruin.
I lost splat, we lost splat, we lost splat, we lost splat.
It abuses me.
Sorry. Oh shit! I'm trying to damn it. Sorry.
Yeah, like.
How many ballistics do you have? She's chopping up ballistics.
20. Stop pulling.
Fuck. I never
Stop
said
pointing that
anything.
at my face.
Y'all finna think I'm gonna stand still, boy. Y'all finna think I'm gonna stand still, boy.
Especially you. Scared me,
soft.
Okay. Nice one for spawn camping, by the way.
Holy crap.
Hello. Yeah, I'm staying in here. Y'all are just gonna kill me.
Hey, don't kill me, dude.
This ain't
Really, dude?
Don't aim.
Don't shoot me.
chill out, man.
Howdy, partner. Okay, get back here.
Don't shoot me, dude. I'm friend. Oh, frick, he's down here. Hey, don't shoot, don't shoot. I'm friendly. I'm friendly.
I wasn't gonna shoot you.
A lot of people do, so.
Why do you think I'm on this side of the map?
Dude, this is by far my most hated challenge. So, sorry, guys, but. I have to. It's the right moment. I can only do this once a video. Switch weapons. Oh, I can't see. Frick. Got him. Bro, I'm unleashing all my anger on them.
Whoever using a shotgun at that range is crazy. Nice, loads. But it is a shotgun, so it's not that effective.
I'm just not gonna show mercy. But with the MP5, I'd switch weapon. I'm just lying to y'all at this point.
I'm free. Finally.
Come on, get up here. Get up here.
in peace.
Yes, thank you.
I'm done with these stupid team kills.
Good boy for using the finger.
Stupid niggas.
Hey. Can you please not cuss? I'm filming a YouTube video and I'm friendly.
Okay, sorry.
Wherever you are, mate. I want to get you with this fucking shotgun.
Do to them what they did to us. Alright, next challenge. I have to use this. My favorite gun. How the frick did he see me?
Okay, you have an advantage.
Really had to use your tablet just to kill.
Okay, I'm tired of them. I can only use gun.
Murder him! No, kill him! He's a bloody murderer. He keeps suicide bombing.
I'll flashbang you.
Run! Run!
Flashbang
Run!
you.
Run!
Oh,
Run!
Hey, can I guys join you?
No,
Nice
moron!
Jesus P, really? An LMG?
Hey guys, can I join you?
Drop us some food. Drop it.
The detonate! It's right here! No!
You shoot him. Hey.
well, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And I'm gonna have to edit some things, which frick, I keep forgetting how to edit. But this app right here, I'm gonna do a video on soon. So actually, I already did a video on that, but I'll do it again. So bye.